Hello, this is Markella and welcome to Screen Hack Friday, episode 9, where we're going to talk about sharing RSS and Newsfeeds. What's a better way to engage your audience with some real-time content? Here are 3 different ways you can use an RSS and a live newsfeed. Use an existing live news app. In the ScreenCloud App Store, you could find loads of different apps that can provide a live news source for your audience. This includes many popular live news sources in the UK, the US, and across the world, like BBC News, CNN, and ESPN. News apps are also a great way to fill out a zoned screen. Many of our news apps are compatible with the bottom or side zone of the screen, and you could also use them as a ticker tape to share the important headlines. Create your own RSS newsfeed. Creating your own RSS newsfeed is a very cool way to distribute your content even further via your digital screens. For example, you could share your latest podcast episodes, your social media, or your business's blog posts. Share a specialist newsfeed. You could also share a specialist newsfeed like TechCrunch for the latest technology news or Sports Live Scores for the latest live scores of your favorite sports leagues. You could create these apps in the ScreenCloud App Store and they update in real time to keep your audience up to date. Why not see which RSS feed you want to share? That's it for this episode. Be sure to subscribe here on YouTube for more Screen Hack Friday episodes. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.